Right then, hello. I'll put the wheels back on for obvious reasons to move the bike around. I just disconnected the quick shifter. I'll show you how that goes. That comes up like that. I'll spin that around. That goes in there like that. But before you can take that off, you have to do this special little clip there. If you don't take that clip off, you've got no chance of pulling this off like that. Now I'll just show you. I use this as a pointer. This clip is here, right underneath there. So if you don't take that off, you've got no chance of getting that off like that. As soon as you take that off, just you've got to disconnect that, which is press button. So that's out of the way, and then it'll just drop down. I've undone the 50, the 50 and the 50 nut, and you've got two 40s up here, and the 30s there, or 25s. I can't remember exactly what they are, I'll let you know. I'm just gonna get my new set out. Say 40, might be a 40. No. 30. Come on. Yeah, I've got a new set of Torques, quite expensive. Yeah, they're a 30. Definitely a 30. That's your real guard. So your 30 in there. I will be putting the Torques back up on the screen when the video's made. So I've got to undo that one. That's 30, that 30, and this 40 here. And then the plate will come away. The plate will come away. Doing my wheel around, putting the brake on it, and undoing that. I can't record why I'm doing it because my camera stand broke, which is a shame. Yeah, my tripod, that's the word. Tripod broke. One of the legs decided to give in and the clips, so I ain't bothered. But I'm getting there slowly. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, as you can see, nice chunky treads. I've got the chain and the sprockets and everything to do it now. Replacement bolts for the, nuts for the sprocket. And that'll be it. I'll just show you this afterwards. Right then, I've undone the heel, which is that, the heel protector. And it's all collapsing on me. That's the heel protector done, two 30s. And then you've got a 30 here, which you have to take off because of that lip, because it goes in the bottom there and you can't pull it out. So I'm getting there, definitely getting there. But just got to undo that big one now, which I have done, the 50. That's the 50, isn't it? Yeah. Here's the 50. Anyway, I'll get back to you. I'll undo it. Oh, it's coming out. It is loose enough, actually. Yeah, it's coming out. This is the swing arm nut. And this has got to be torqued up, I know, to an amazing 200 Newton meters. 200, yes, you can check it on Google. 200 meters, that's got to be clean, so it's got thread locking, which you'll have to use, BMW say. There we go. Whoa, there you go, look at that. Dirty, rotten, salty chain. I'll clean that up in there. Oh, wow, I will clean that. That's got your quick shifter on and all that. But it's easy enough. It is a doable job. I think BMW are looking in the region of £500 for new sprockets and chain, believe it or not. Yeah, 500 quid, you heard me right. You can Google it and it'll tell you the price, ruffled price. So I'd rather do it myself. I've got all the stuff to do it. Anyway, I'll get back to you. I'm just going to crack that. And then once that's cracked, I can take the wheel or crack them first. I'll put the bike down off its stand and off that. And then put it in gear. Well, it is in gear. Yeah, it is in first, so it should hold it. Right, so I'll get back to you in a minute. Right, I've cracked it off. I know there's a special washer on here. It's what they call a bent washer. I've got one of them. I don't know if you can see that, it's slightly bent. And it only goes on one way. Get rid of that. Put it on there. And there's a big washer there as well. You've got your big washer there. That first one. Focus. And then you got that one. And they've got to go over the lip of the bolt. And if they're over the lip of the bolt, you ain't going to tighten it up. You are not. Believe you me, you're not going to tighten it up. Anyway, I've done that. I'm going to crack on and doing the rear sprockets. And that'll be tomorrow now, because I've had enough of this bike today. But that's it anyway. So, yeah, solid. Normally get a little... I might have to buy a new guide. Just feel that. Ooh, look at that shite. Yeah. I think I'll have to get a new, where's my paper towel? Yeah, I think I'll have to get a new guide on that. It felt a bit worn. Just felt a bit worn, it did. Get that off my finger. Yeah, I'll put the bike as far over as there as I possibly can to get all this work on, because it's only this side I'm working on. Should be done within an hour, everything, off and on. But as I say, I've been working on the bike today and I'm a bit tired now. And it's getting cold and it's dark outside. Absolutely pitch black. You see that? It's pitch black. Anyway, I'll let yous be. And I'll do the rest tomorrow.